guys, welcome back to one more vlog from Wheels of Lost Freedom. Me, Sameer, Preetham and Rahul as well. Raj couldn't join in just because he had a little bit of analytical work to do. Today's agenda is going to be changing Sammy's front and rear tire. Okay, Sameer, अभी तक टोटल कितना किलोमीटर हो गया ये दोनों टायर पे?
36,700 something.
36,700. और आगे का पीछे का दोनों टायर कौन सा है?
MRF.
Okay, both the tires are going to be MRF. The front is going to be 97.
नहीं पहले MRF था, अभी C8 है, मतलब वो टायर.
अभी C8 डालने वाला है. तो MRF का फ्रंट टायर कौन सा था? 90,
17 I guess. हाँ.
Okay, and the rear one 120,
120,
70.
नहीं.
80, 70.
120,
120, 80, 17. Okay, now the work is begin. अदा मैं क्या बोलता हूँ, सुनो ना, ये अभी नया डालेंगे तो कितना चलेगा?
बाइक का लाइफ 20 से 22 है.
अच्छा 20 से 22 है, 22 से 22. अच्छा, okay. So now he claims that the bike will be able to complete 20 to 22 or 25,000 approx on the new tire. And C8 है ना दोनों?
दोनों C8 है.
Okay. Now the great thing about C8 tire is Rahul, क्या warranty बोलते हैं, guarantee?
Yeah, they have a warranty for 3 years. If the tire cuts down or break down, they can just directly come to the showroom and they will have a warranty, and at that same time they can just replace the tire also.
Okay. So now this is a new offer, I believe. I am not sure. Don't quote me on that. But
Whenever your heart is broken, don't ever forget you're golden. I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Never leaving you in the darkness, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see it clear. I'll be your inspiration, 'cause I know that you'll do just what you're told. I'll be your hard-earned temptation, 'cause I know that you'll make it on your
well, that is the process wherein the tire gets removed very smoothly, rather than putting those panas and screwdrivers inside and hurting the
With less efforts.
less efforts, I would say. Guys, okay. Amazing, man. It's so simple.
Baby, you can count on me now. When you're falling down, 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 I will find a light in your soul, I'll be there. Leaving you alone is the hardest, even when you're out of focus. I will be the light in your life, you'll see.
We are in Mulund outside the Apollo
Fire brigade.
Prince Tire Shop. Okay, हम लोग actually टायर ढूंढ रहे थे. We been like this is our third shop, and there is one more franchisee named by the same Prince Tires as Continental. So you guys may even check that thing on YouTube, which is near Jain Temple.
Temple in the
Jain Temple. Okay, so that's the tire. The rear tire of 120 section, I would say 120, 80, 17, which can be easily mounted on a 220, which is a 2015 model, the 220. And earlier it had a tire of 120, 17, 120, 80, 17, the same one.
same size.
But this one looks really different. Okay, so this one is MRF, right?
Yes.
Okay, the old.
Weird off right now, right?
Yeah, it's completely weird. Like, that's the old one, almost done for 36. Yeah, I mentioned in the beginning.
Nylon grip zapper.
And yeah, Rahul, how's your Pirelli working?
My Pirelli till now it's good. But let's see when we will head on the roads. And
Exactly.
Then I will just test the tires on cornering and all that
Yep,
stuff.
yep.
Then it will be a real test of Pirelli.
Yep.
The known factor.
So hopefully guys you'll get to see those vlogs as soon as possible. The next time when we'll head on a ride, probably we'll go out just because the roads are completely dry right now, and definitely we'll come up with some cornering videos as well.
Yeah.
Hand scrapes, head scrapes, head scrapes, whatever we get. So let's see how these tires work actually. Hey, what happens when you forget a Gorilla Pod? What happens when you forget a Gorilla Pod?
You have to face this mess.
Daman wala. Head to head. Yes. Dakota.
Gorilla Pod की कितनी ज़रूरत है? When you're a vlogger, you definitely need Gorilla Pod at least once. Like what exactly happens when you forget your Gorilla Pod at home? This is a helmet pod or what? अरे. Oh,
Check this out
अच्छा,
now.
अच्छा, I like that. That's the swag.
Swag,
mode.
man.
Hey, nice man. That looks nice. Oh, it's like camera to camera. Good one. Hey, वो डांस कैसे किया bro? क्या था?
Slow down. Go like this. Pull it up. You go like this. Pull it up.
Pull it back. ए यहाँ पे मत गिर साले किधर तो ठोक देगा तू No. I hope you can promise your subscribers when it's gonna be your first hand scrape.
हैंड स्क्रैप
Promise your subscribers, man.
New tires.
भाई
come
इतना
on.
खतरे खिलाड़ी वाला काम नहीं
Promise
करते
your subscribers. Like when is gonna be your first hand scrape? So actually, Pritham didn't promise, but he completed it. So now it's gonna be your turn.
वो अलग आदमी है भाई मैं अलग है
Come
on, man.
When
Come
is
on,
the
man.
first
Let's-
time? No, come
Come
on,
on, man.
Promise. Like when?
I know. Sammy will surely
minute.
bid on. He did hand scraping, and this guy will do head scraping.
Head
bid
scraping.
on it. Bid on it.
Okay, so
Ajmer,
that's
Ajmer.
a promise for you subscribers. Mahindra E2.
Okay,
So guys, this is the machine which charges the car. The Mahindra E2 and the Reva as well. Mahindra came up with the Reva, right?
So for this,
They completely
So even your bikes can be charged on this.
and it's known as ECU.
Okay, so it has a plug over here. I'm really afraid to touch it. I don't know why.
Yeah, it's
But
all
like,
that's why. So it's better we
just
don't
have to
touch
pull
it.
it out.
okay. Oh,
Pull it
that
out.
looks nice.
So
that looks
there are
nice.
sockets
Amazing.
that you can pull it out.
So you can charge it over here, guys. So we are over here, and this particular thing you might have seen just now is for charging. So we are in Mulund, right?
Yes, Mulund.
Yeah, we are in Mulund. Okay, so this is the highway right over there. You take a left from there.
Johnson.
From
Fire
Johnson,
Brigade.
from
Fire
Fire
Brigade.
Brigade, and then you enter. You just have to enter. Hardly 2 or 3 rolls of your tire. You can
Just guide
see
you again from
this
Chaknaka. From
board.
Chaknaka, all you have to come straight, and
till Fire Brigade.
till Fire Brigade, and from Fire Brigade you have to take left. It's a signal on Fire Brigade. From there, left, and there will be one big board of Apollo Prince tires.
Prince tires, yes. There you can even charge your
Yeah,
machines.
I see. If
If you have an electronic machine, man.
Yeah.
Don't bring your mobile phone
see
and
this.
all. Okay, so this is the old tire. 120/80/17. Oh, same. Oh my god, and I found something. 2 punctures, 3rd puncture, 4th puncture, 5th, 6th, 7th, 8. There are total 8 punctures in this tire, and still this tire was working really fine, right? It was gripping really well, right?
Yes.
So you can even
Check this.
believe in MRF.
Okay, so that's the one.
That's 1,
And if you go here, that's 2.
2.
And then
No, only 2.
no, only 2. So
Only
this
two,
was
the
the
front.
front tire. So if you just check, front tire, rear tire,
Yep.
those are the new ones.
गंजा हो गया रे.
Ganja ho gaya.
Okay, so well guys, that's it for now. This was the vlog just to show you that we changed the tire on the 220. 220F 2015 model. The front tire is 90 and even the rear tire is 120, which is almost a radial base. Though the old tire was completely worn out almost for 36,000 kilometers, sorry. and we really hope that's what Sentinel Prime we name it as. What say, Sammy? Excited?
Yes.
That was late. So we'll do one thing. We'll end this vlog right over here, and now we'll head back home as it's too late. Not exactly too late. अरे 8:20 हो गया. अरे पागल है. अभी तो शुरू हो गया.
Bye.
Okay, I'll do one thing. I'll just upload a photo of it. You can directly contact the showroom and you can replace your tires whenever you want. अच्छा, total खर्चा कितना हो गया बंटी?
4,000.
Okay, 4,000. He changed his rear tire and front tire, both the tire sets. One was 120, the rear one was 120, the front was 190, in 4,000 rupees.
With labor.
With labor.
Yeah, with labor
Fitting
charges, and even he is getting 3 years of warranty.
Unconditional warranty.
Unconditional warranty. Let that be a crack, let that be a tore off, or let that be like the peeling of the entire tire. So he'll definitely get the replacement of it, right?
Yeah.
Anytime in 3 years. So हम लोग क्या कर रहे हैं? 2 साल 11 महीने के बाद आएंगे वापस.
Chindi people. Chindi people. Chindi people. Chindi people.
So that's it for now, guys. We'll end up the vlog over here. Make sure that you hit the like button if you really like this vlog. I'm really sorry for the thumbnail, which had a huge tire bag back there, but it was a real fun out there when we kept that tire back there and we clicked a big photo out of it. But yes, we will come up with multiple vlogs right here. I hope you enjoyed the Bangalore ride. Okay, make sure you subscribe to our channel and make us a little bit rich, so you'll be able to ride more on a long distance rather than a short distance. And
Stay subscribed, stay tuned, you'll have fun.
that's it for now, guys. Anyways, ciao. So make sure you carry enough bungee cords when you are coming up for a tire change very away from your shop. Very away from your home. Okay, Sammy, कहाँ पे रहते हो? यहाँ पे भी safe है. There are 2 bungee cords over here, 1 bungee cord over here, 1 bungee cord over here. Nylon का रस्सी, complimentary 1 bungee cord over here. नहीं, मैं ज़्यादा गिन लिया शायद.
And अंदर सुतली भी है भाई, सेफ्टी के लिए.
अच्छा, अंदर सुतली भी है.
They get